Wairua pai e whakahaere ana I te tima poitarawhiti mai te kura o Hine Te Waiora.
We are getting ready here. The crowd is absolutely electric. Oh yeah!
We have a great team spirit, everyone gets along, tons of jokes and bit of bullying here and there and a bit of team banter, which is great.
Ko rātou anake te kura pāpori e whakaatu ana I te waipounamu I tēnei whakataetae. Hei tā Stella Crossan, ko te aroha mō te kēmu, te mea e puritia ana rātou.
The girls have really come together as a team and we've really played our own game and played to our strengths and played together as a team.
Ina nahi tuki rātou kia hato makere e mōhiotia ana hei kai whakatūpato I te waipounamu. Ai, ki te kai tākoro ngai Tahu a Maya Bagnall I miharo rātou ki te toa.
Never had that kind of battle with them before, as like they're always the top school, so like never had that hustle out there with them. We've played them a few times being another Christchurch team and such a great team that we've never really come close. So last night was definitely a bit of a shock. We went in just believing in ourselves and wanting to resort to our game plan and just give it everything, and it paid off.
Aha kua kaore I wini I te kēmu tuatahi o te rā tuatoru kia St. Kentigern's, kei te hikaka tonu te kapa.
I think we just like stuck to our own game, like pushed through, and like I said, we all got sore bodies, so we were just pushing ourselves out there and had lots of hype on the bench, which made the girls really hustle on court. It was a tough game. I mean, we left it all out there and tried our best. Wasn't our game today.
Hei a pōpō, ka tīmata te whakataetae hei te iwakaraka I te ata, ka mōhio ko wai ka hua, ko wai ka tohu. Ora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.